treated like family. Every staff member is a truck stuff pro. So many aftermarket accessories, sales, installation, and so much more. Transform your ride, it's all inside at truckstuffks.com. Truck Stuff. Yo!
Morning guys, welcome to the next That's a Wrap session with Truck Stuff. We're going to talk a little bit about this 2023 Ram TRX today. So we're going to start it on the front. We did an Addictive Desert Design Stealth Fighter front bumper in it, along with Baja Design Squadron lights hooked to the factory fog lights. These are SAE, so they're street legal. And then we did an Onyx 6 that's a dual powered, both amber and clear, and a 40-inch curved light bar to go into the bumper, along with a Warren Platinum 12,000 synthetic line winch. We went with the Platinum so that there was no need to crawl underneath there and hook and unhook the winch for free spool. It's all controlled by a remote control. And then we did a Factor 55 flat link on it as well, just to finish off that clean look on the front. So as we walk around the side of it, I'll show you the next steps that we did. We went with a RSI Smartcap on this truck. This customer is wanting to get into some overlanding with the potential of putting a rooftop tent on it in the future. So we went with the modular RSI Smartcap. On the Smartcap, it has the molle panels on the opening. We also added some Baja Design S2 and a work scene light. We did these in amber so that when he's out in the overlanding areas that he may be going, he has a good perimeter lighting system that doesn't attract as much bugs. So moving on to the back. On the back of this truck, we did another Addicted Desert Design Stealth Fighter rear bumper. This one has Squadron Sport lights in it in a spot flood combo. It's the driving combo. Came out looking really clean. And then in the bed itself, we have some S1 in a work scene light to give interior lighting to the bed. So these things are set up to where we can pivot them so you can shine the light outside. And we also hook these up to the actual factory switch in the bed so you can turn them on right back here and don't have to climb inside. Like I said, again, you can pivot these back so that if you need light out the back of your truck. Pretty cool setup. Off. This truck is also going to get a Dakota lithium battery on an auxiliary battery system to run fridges or whatever else he needs to in the bed of this truck on his trips. So as we move around this side, we'll go ahead and close this top down so you can get kind of a look of how it looks closed up. So again, this is the RSI Smartcap. So we did a WeBoost signal booster on this one. So this is going to boost his cell signal when he's out in those remote locations. Another pretty cool trick item that we did this is from SDHQ, Super Duty HQ. They offer a mount system that goes into the factory cubbyhole for a dual ARB system. So this way this guy can air up his tires if he needs to out in the remote locations he'll be at. And then we actually routed the line for this one right up here so it's easy for him to get to plug in and run his air system. So yeah, that's a wrap on the oh sorry, I forgot to talk about the Putco molle panels as well. So we did mount molle panels inside of this bed so he can have more locations to secure his equipment down. So yeah, that's a wrap. This 2023 TRX that's set up for overlanding adventures or Baja or whatever your plan is with this. Come by, see us today at Truck Stuff. We can get you decked out as well. Thanks.